Display Form Entries is a WordPress plugin that allows you to display Gravity Form submissions directly on the front end of your website using flexible layouts and powerful customization options. In this video, we'll show you how to mark entries as featured, display starred entries at the top of your listings, and manage featured status directly from the entries page. Let's get started. To do this, we'll go to the entries page and select an entry. You'll see the star icon here. Click on the star icon. Now refresh the page. The selected entry will now appear with a yellow featured label. By default, featured entries appear at the top of the list. You can also remove the featured status anytime by clicking the star icon again. This automatically removes the featured label from the entry. This feature is available for all list views. Now I'm going to make another entry featured as well. Save the page and refresh to see the updated featured entries. Thanks for watching. Display Form Entries makes it easy to display, manage, and customize Gravity Form submissions on the front end of your WordPress website without custom development. To learn more about the plugin, explore additional features, or get started today, check out the link in the description below.